this series of Python programming language, we are going to learn the basics of Python. This series is for those people who want to learn Python and are just getting started, or for those who are coming from another language. In order to install Python, go ahead and visit this URL, python.org/download/. Come and click here. This will install Python. After installing Python, reboot to your machine. This will help you to initiate Python globally on your machine. After the reboot, if you want to confirm if Python is installed on your machine or not, go ahead and open your terminal. Alright, this is my terminal. To confirm if Python is installed on your machine or not, just type either Python or Python 3. This will open up the Python interpreter. Basically, this will indicate that Python has been officially installed on your machine. Now, you may also want to confirm if another program called pip is also installed on your machine or not. To do rest, just simply type pip on your terminal. Pip is basically an external package manager for Python. This helps you to install and manage external Python packages. Alright, pip is also installed on my machine. Now you have to install another program called Jupyter using pip. To do that, just simply type pip install Jupyter. Jupyter is basically a web application that helps you to install and run Python entirely on your web browser. Alright, Jupyter has been installed on my machine. Now, if you want to run Jupyter, just go ahead and type Jupyter Notebook. After running Jupyter Notebook on your terminal, you will see an interface like this on your web browser. If you want to run Python on Jupyter, just go ahead and click on New, Python 3. This will basically create a notebook for you where you can run and interact with Python code. Now let me give you an overview of Jupyter Notebook. In order to insert a new cell, you can just go ahead and select the existing cell and press A. This will create a new cell. Also, a new cell is created when the existing cell is used for executing Python code. To delete a cell, select the cell and press D exactly 2 times. This will delete the cell that you have selected. If you want to run Python code on a Jupyter Notebook cell, go ahead and select the cell, type the Python code in, for example, and then press Shift plus Enter. This will execute the cell. Also, if you want to support my YouTube channel, then please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any of my future videos.